scare near the Healing Garden. It happened at around 8:30. Here you can see police lining the street right near 4th and Colorado. People were terrified after they heard a loud noise nearby. And 13 Action News anchor Mahsa Saeidi right now is live tonight with details of the small incident behind that really big scare. Mahsa.
And Todd, it was just a small fire, but witnesses described it as a loud boom. This happened in between all the different ceremonies at the Healing Garden, so people were really caught off guard.
I thought initially when I heard it, it was a pipe bomb, and I figured it had to do with the October 1st shooting.
A lot of other people that had been survivors of Route 91 fell to the ground, started crying, and got scared, and some of them started running away and leaving the site instantly.
And all of that trauma, Todd, was caused by this small trash fire here. You can see some of the remnants of the fire. We know sometimes an aerosol can or tires, for example, can cause a loud noise. Firefighters do want to stress there was no explosion here. It's still unclear what caused that loud noise, but witnesses are just relieved that this was a relatively minor incident with no ill intent behind it. Reporting live, Mahsa Saeidi, 13 Action News.
Mahsa, thank you. We know it's just so many frayed nerves down